Hello students, welcome to the steel structures class, which is your open elective. So we will solve our second numerical. While solving your numericals, kindly carry the calci plus IS 800 2007 two plates (12 mm) and 20 mm thick are to be joined by double cover butt joint to sustain to a factored design load of 825 kilonewton. Use 4.6 grade 20 mm dia bolts and Fe 410 grade steel. Provide 8 mm thick cover plates, one on each side. Design double cover design butt joint. So write what they have given here. What did they have given? So let's study this one. Where kept this? Let's see here. Two plates 12 mm and 20 mm thick are to be joined by double cover butt joint to sustain a factor design load of 825 kilonewton. In previous problem they have given service load of so and so load. Here they have given direct factor load which has been multiplied by using your factor of safety. Here they have given use 4.6 grade bolts of 20 mm dia. Use Fe 410 grade steel. Provide 8 mm thick cover plate. So see here, this is your plate which is of how much? 20 mm thick, right? Next here this is of 12 mm. This is of 12 mm. So here what is asking us to do? Is asking us to design the double cover butt joint This will be of 8 mm cover plates. Inside also you will be having 8 mm packing plates for covering this, right? This is 20 mm. Here you have 825 kilonewton load, right? I hope everyone understood. This is 8 mm cover plate, this is 8 mm cover plate. Here we are using double cover butt joint. For that we have taken 8 mm cover plate, 8 mm cover plate. Inside for this covering this also we are using 8 mm packing plates. I hope everyone understood this. So right now we'll solve the problem. What is the given data here? T1 is equal to T2 is equal to 20 mm thick. Here P is equal to 8.25 kilonewton, right? Next, a joint double cover butt joint to sustain a factor design load of 825 kilonewton. So using 4.6 grade bolts. So here what is your 4? That will be your ultimate tensile strength of the bolt. FUB is equal to 4 into 1/100 part of your stress. So here this will be 400 Newton per mm square. So obviously your 6 will be yield stress of the bolt. So that will be 0.6 into FUB. So what it will give? 0.6 into 400 will gives rise to how much? 240 Newton per mm square, right? Next here what we are using of here your dia of bolt is how much? Your your dia of bolt is 20 mm. So right, what is the dia of hole? This is your dia of bolt. This is your dia of hole. So that will be dia of bolt plus clearance. So here what is the dia of the bolt? That is 20 mm. So according to our page number 73, what is the value of clearance as provided for the 20 mm bolt? That is 2 mm clearance. So that will be 20 mm, 22 mm. Your D naught will be 22 mm. So next, using Fe 410 grade steel. So what is Fe 410 grade? Here Fu will be ultimate tensile strength of the plate is 410 Newton per mm square, and your yield stress of your steel is how much? 250 Newton per mm square. Next we need to calculate here for going for the design purpose. What we have to find out? He is asking, we need to find out end distance, pitch distance. So how much? This we need to find out. Okay, we'll solve this one. So right, so what will be your E? Previously we have taken this one hand cut. Now we are taking edge distance or edge distance and end distance. So we have two criterias, E less than or equal to 1.7 into D naught. So here we are assuming, in previous we have assumed machine cut, now I am assuming flame cut. So right, you have 1.5 D naught and 1.7 D naught. So here what will be the edge distance? 1.7 into what is your D naught? That is 22, 20 plus 2 clearance. How much you are getting? 1.7 into 22. So that will gives rise to E less than or equal to how much? 37.4 mm. So that can be approximately taken 40 mm. Provide E is equal to 40 mm. So right, next we'll go for the pitch distance. Previously we have taken the minimum pitch distance and minimum edge distance. Now I am taking the value which can come as between the minimum and maximum. Provide minimum pitch will less than or equal to 2.5 into dB, die of the bolt. So P less than or equal to 2.5 into 20. So what it will be? 2.5 into 20 will gives to 50. So P less than or equal to 50 mm. This will be your minimum. So we will go for the maximum. So right, maximum pitch should not be greater than 16T or 200 mm. So here for P greater than 16 into 12 I am taking. So I am taking the first plate thickness 200 mm. So right, P equal to 16 into 12, that is 192 mm or 200 mm. So right, here provide P is equal to 100 mm center to center. Right, provide P is equal to 100 mm. So what? Here minimum, your pitch should not, therefore your pitch should not be less than 50 mm, less than should not, and greater than 192 mm. So provide So provide 100 mm. Right, now we have got end distance and we have got pitch distance. Now we need to calculate the shearing and bearing. We need to design the double cover butt joint by using the shearing and bearing. So right, VDSB and VDPB. So first one, shear capacity of the shearing capacity of bolt, right? Shearing capacity of the bolt. Here VD SB equal to VDPB by gamma MB. So here, VNSB. So VNSB is FU by under root NN A and B plus NN A as B, right? So obviously your VDSB will be what? A and B plus NS ASB. So right, what is, first we need to find out the NN. So here what is the NN and NB? So for the butt cover, so you people know it very well. Whenever we are going for the double cover butt joint, at that you will be getting a NN and so right here what is NN? The number of shear planes at threaded portion. Number of shear planes, here you will be having a 2 shear planes. 2 shear planes means here one more shear plane is passing, which is passing through the threaded portion. So obviously NN will be 1. So NS is number of shear planes at shank portion. Shank portion is here. So obviously this will be 1. So here right here, so VDSB equal, so first we will calculate AN, ASB and ANB. So right, ASB here what we have, pi by 4 d square, right? Pi by 4 d square will be 3.14 by 4 into t square, that gives to 314 mm square, right? Here 0.78 into pi by 4 d square, or it can be written as 0.78 into ASB. So right, that will be 0.78 into 314. We have got both the values. Next we need to study about the so right, next you please place all the values here in this VDSB. Here you can write it approximately 245 mm square. So VDSB is equal to, what is the FU? ultimate, sorry, few B. Why I am getting forget here? Right, here we are calculating it for the bolt, so obviously this will be FUB, so that will be your 410 by under root 3 1.25, n is 1, nn is 1, a and b is how much? 245 plus 1 into how much? 314, 1 into 314, 400 divided by under root 3 into 'So right, your VDSB will be 103,276.41 Newton per mm square. Sorry, it is Newton. Sorry. Here every will get cancelled. So VDSB will be 103.27 kilo newtons. The shearing capacity of bolt is 103.27. Next we will calculate the bearing strength of the bolt. Bearing strength of the, so here what is the bearing strength of the bolt? PDPB is equal to VNPB by gamma MB. So what will be your VNPB is 2.5 KB into D into T into FU. So here obviously your VDPB will become 2.5 into KB into DT into TU T FU by gamma MB. So right, now we will solve the KB. KB is least of the following, that is E by 3D naught, P by 3D naught minus 0.25, FUB by FU 1.0. So we will solve. P by 3D naught minus 0.25, right, you got 40 end distance 3 into 22, we have taken 100 by 3 into 22 minus 0.25, FUB is your 400, FU is your 410. So which is the least value here? Take KB as, therefore KB is equal to 0.60. So VDPB is equal to 2.5 into KB is 0.60, your D is 20 and T is also 20. Here we are taking thickness, right? Your FU is how much? 410 by gamma MB, that will be 1.25. Here we have got how much? So right, here we have got BDP, we have got 196,800 Newton. So that will gives to BDPB 196 kilo newtons. So here which is the least value? Bolt value which we have got. We have got first one VDSP is SB, sorry, that is 103.27. Second one we have got VDPB as 196.8 kilonewtons. This is also kilonewton. So among this, which is the least value? This is the least value. So here the bolt value will be one or 3.27. So here the number of bolts will be equal to given load PU by bolt value. What is PU? Here load by here bolt value. What was your load? 825 kilonewtons by 103.27. So here 825 not 3.27, that is 7.98. that approximately we can take 8 numbers. So 8 numbers will be N is equal to number of bolts is equal to number of bolts is equal to 8 bolts So right, provide, we have designed everything for the single chain bolting. Provide single chain Here the edge distance is 40 mm, load is 825 kilonewton, right? Pitch distance is 100 mm, right? We have provided 8 bolts in each row, right? Provide the single chain bolting. In this, so we have designed the butt double cover joint. So this is all for today. We have solved the second problem. In the next videos we will solve the three more problems. Okay. Here we will check what is actually we have got. See, once this is 100, this is also 100 pitch distance. Okay, these are all the pitch distance, and here it is also known as the gauge distance. Okay, thank you. This is all for today. Thank you.